Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add skrill to Shopify. So what you will have to gonna do, you will just open the Shopify and you will have to just click to the settings on the top left, and there is you will see the option is payment. You will have to click to the payments and you will choose the provider or add a payment method. So you will click to the add a payment method and you will type for skrill digital wallet and you will click to it skrill digital wallet. So one provider offer this payment method, so I will just choose it, and skrill official, so payment capture. So you will see it's loading to connect with skrill to Shopify. So this app is not compatible with your store. So skrill compatible store are subscribed to one of these Shopify plan, basic, Shopify advanced. So I will not buy a plan, and when you will buy a plan and you will add it easily. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.